Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and haul. In case you want to stick around, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Squad. In today's video, I am going to be discussing a new skincare concept with you all. You might not have heard it before, but I have thoroughly researched on it and I thought why not share it with you all. So yes, that is going to be skin cycling, and I'll tell you the concept of skin cycling. It is to use active ingredients like retinols, vitamin C, AHAs and BHAs on your face without having to deal with the disadvantages such as burning and irritation on the skin. So I will be taking you through this concept in which I will be sharing my 4 nights routine with you all. So without further ado guys, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, when it comes to any kind of skincare routine, the first step is definitely going to be cleansing the skin, and these days I am using Ayuga's 1% Chandanam face wash. It consists of sandalwood and turmeric. We all know the benefits of sandalwood and turmeric. It helps in brightening up the skin, helps in fading away the tan and the pigmentation we have on the face. It is going to be ideal for someone who is suffering from pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. So yes, I take a bit of this and apply it all over my skin and thoroughly let it clean my face. So guys, not only it helps in cleansing up your skin, but it will also make sure not to strip your skin from excessive moisture and hydration. So once you clean your skin, you will be able to see your face immediately brighten up. I really love this one. It's safe to use, doesn't have any harmful chemicals. And if you use the code given on the screen, you're gonna get extra 20% off. So make sure that you try this out. So once my face is clean guys, for day 1 I will be choosing AHAs and BHAs. Now you can take it in a form of serums and you can also take it in a form of peel. So guys, I strongly recommend you guys to go for a AHA and BHA peel. Believe me, it helps in brightening up your skin, and the best part is you won't be able to see your whiteheads and your blackheads, clogged pores on the face, especially around the nose. It is a lifesaver for me, and this is a skincare routine which we mostly should do at night because we cannot use active ingredients while going out in the sun like retinol, AHA and BHAs guys. We need to take care, and even if we are going out the next day, we must follow it up with a good sunscreen. Now for day 2 guys, I'm going to be picking up retinol. We all know that retinol helps in giving excellent results. So once you are done with cleansing up your face, I would highly recommend you guys to go for Ayuga's 1% Chandanam face wash. Then I follow it up with the retinol, and once I apply the retinol on the face, then I go with a good moisturizer. Now it is a really active ingredient. You will be able to see your skin clearing, your fine lines going away, but make sure that you are not combining it with any other active ingredient like vitamin C. It is going to be a big no-no, because yes, if you use retinol and retinoids for a longer period of time, it can make your skin inflamed and it might cause skin irritation. So now it is going to be day 3, and on day 3 we are not going to be using any active ingredient on the skin. So the first step you're going to do is just cleanse your face thoroughly and follow it up with a good moisturizer, because in these days we want our skin to repair and heal. So once your skin is cleansed thoroughly, we are going to be using a thick moisturizer which helps in hydrating and which also helps in making the skin supple. So these days I am using 5% Chandanam night gel from Ayuga. This is a brilliant night gel guys, which helps in thoroughly hydrating the skin. It helps in moisturizing the skin, making it soft and supple. It consists of 5% Chandanam oil, which is believed to make your skin brighter. It helps in reducing tan, and if you're someone with the pigmentation and dark spots on the face, you will definitely be able to see some clear difference in your skin. You wake up with beautiful skin in the morning. I love the consistency and smell of this. I love the brand guys because they do not use any harmful chemicals. Also, everything which comes in this jar is gonna be very safe to use and pure to put on your skin. I completely trust the brand. Make sure that you give it a try. Use the coupon code given on the screen to get 20% off. Make sure that you check out the description box for all the links. So guys, this is gonna be all for this video. I hope that you really find this one helpful. I'm doing this since past 1 month and I've reaped some amazing benefits for my skin. So yes, just give it a try. So on day 1 you can use AHAs and BHAs, on day 2 retinol, and for day 3 and 4 you can just hydrate and moisturize your skin. You're gonna be seeing some amazing benefits without damaging the skin's natural barrier. So yes, this is all for this video. We'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all.